Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by opening Teams or Outlook and signing in with the Microsoft 365 account you'll use. Once done, go straight to the calendar and pick the view that helps you plan. Make sure you know whether this is a channel meeting tied to a team, a private meeting for specific attendees, or a live event for large broadcasts. This choice affects permissions and the link behavior. Do this now so the rest of the scheduling steps align with the meeting type you need. You click New Meeting and enter a clear title, then set the date and precise start and end times so calendar invites are accurate. Next, add required and optional attendees by email. If it's a channel meeting, pick the channel so members see it. Then open meeting options to control the lobby, who can present, and whether recording is allowed. These settings determine attendee experience and security. Make sure to add a short agenda in the description so participants know what to expect. You save the event and click Send to distribute calendar invites. Once sent, open the event and copy the Join Microsoft Teams meeting link from the details. Then paste that link into chat, an external email, or a calendar attachment for easy access. Finally, confirm attendees received it and test audio/video if you can. If someone can't join, check meeting permissions, ensure guest access is enabled, and update meeting options to allow bypassing the lobby. This single fix resolves most access problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.